You're here for another episode of Carpet Guys Cleaning Vlog. I'm Paul with Washington Pro Carpet Cleaning, and here I've got a small room that I'm doing. I did these chairs the other day. Today I'm just gonna vacuum all this stuff up off the carpets, and then I'm going to clean it with the Eureka and get it looking good. This is a short video. My power supply went out when I was in the middle of vacuuming right at the end, so I apologize for not getting the entire vacuuming session on there, but there is quite a bit, and the carpets will look great. You'll see at the end. And I'll be using that new vacuum I got, which I showed in another video. It's the Eureka Power Speed on Amazon. Very inexpensive, $70, and it works really great. Had the power supply not closed out so quick on me on my phone, I would have showed you the final results and how much the canister picked up. Pretty incredible. And there you can see the final results. Came out beautiful. Thank you for watching another episode, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.